Well, you thought we were done, but not quite yet. You've got to listen to us for another few minutes.
Welcome to this course on how to create deepfakes. Now, you may have noticed there's a popular tool out there called DeepFakes Lab, which was designed specifically for creating deepfakes.
Yeah, but this tool is so hard to use. It has a very steep learning curve, and I don't like it, Joe.
Me neither. That's why this course is so cool. With this course, you can create deepfakes with no learning curve at all.
You know what else sucks about DeepFakes Lab?
What's that, Donald?
You can't even run it on Google Colab. They banned me for doing that. Can you believe it?
Well, yeah, kind of.
Now, they have this silly warning whenever you try to run DeepFakes Lab on Google Colab. But the tools in this course, Google lets you run them to your heart's delight.
That's great. So now I want to talk about what you'll learn in this course. This course isn't just about deepfakes in the traditional sense, where you have one video and you just want to replace the face with someone else's. This course looks at multiple useful tools.
That's exactly right. In this course, we'll start by looking at voice cloning, which is how this audio was created.
We'll also look at a technique called wave to lip, which lets you take a video of someone saying something, combine it with audio of someone saying something else, to make it look like the person in the video is saying the new thing. In fact, that's exactly what you're seeing right now.
We'll also look at a tool called a motion model, which lets you take a video of someone doing or saying something and a still image of someone else, to convert that image into a video with the same motion as the original video.
That sounds really cool.
You know what else is really cool? This course has almost no prerequisites. You need to be proficient with a computer, but that's basically it.
In addition, we've tried to find tools that do not require you to do any coding. All of the tools in this course are plug and play.
Plug and play, that sounds like my kind of thing. No effort, amazing results.
What you can create is limited only by your imagination.
In other words, if your creation sucks, it's your fault.
Hey now, I'm sure the students of this course will go on to create amazing things. Well, let's get out of here. On to the next lecture.